Welcome back to my channel, Craftartarina, your weekly dose of DIYs. Today we're gonna make chocolate. I know it's very different from the videos that I put previously, but this also is kind of a DIY. Y'all can make it at home from scratch. It's very easy. Let's make some chocolate. So first we're starting with sieving all the dry ingredients together so that they don't form lumps when we make chocolate. Add in sugar, then the milk powder. And is it just me who loves milk powder so much, or am I just abnormal? Okay, so back to the recipe. You're gonna add 3/4 cup of cocoa powder, that is I guess half plus 1/4 cup. Sieve all of the ingredients together. Then you're gonna mix and mix the whole of it. Make a double boiler. So just take a vessel, keep it on stove, fill in 2 cups of water and let it simmer. Take a big glass bowl, make sure that the water doesn't touch the bowl at all. Then 1 cup of butter. You're just gonna stay calm and let it melt nicely. Switch off the gas after this. Lastly, we're gonna add in all of the dry ingredients that we made previously into the butter, and just to make sure that you don't over mix it. Once you feel it's all combined together, just stop there and your chocolate is done. Now the fun part, where you pour the chocolate into molds. If you don't have a mold, don't worry, you have an ice cube tray that's lying in the freezer. Just use that. Once it's done, you're gonna place the chocolate into fridge and wait for like 2 to 3 hours for it to settle down. The other extra chocolate, you can keep it for later. Just place it in a bowl and keep it in the fridge, and you can heat it and use it later.
2 hours later.
So I hope y'all enjoyed the video, and I know I should be posting every week, but I haven't been doing that last year. So from this year, I'll make sure that I post every week. My cousin brother's been making cheesecakes at home. Watch my video and make chocolate. Send it to me. Send it home. Not just him, all of them, or whoever is watching my cousins, make sure y'all do it. Send me pictures. If y'all can, send me the chocolate home. We'll see whose taste is better. And if you like this video, please make sure you give it a big thumbs up and like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel, and I will be back with a brand new video next week. And the last part, I'll just